Kai Dao, the Thai crispy fried egg with golden edges. It tops many dishes and stir fries in all its crowning glory, from breakfast to dinner, Pad Kra Pao to fried rice. But there is a technique to getting it right. Hey guys, how you all doing? Today I will show you how to cook the ultimate Thai fried egg. With crispy edges and bottom, this is a super simple basic technique, okay, which will help elevate any Thai or Asian stir fry to the next level. Okay, so let's get cracking. We need quite a bit of oil in the pan. It's a shallow deep fry technique to help us crisp up the edges and the bottom of the egg. We need to get the pan on and get the oil hot. Now, how good does that look? Thai fried egg, crispy sides and bottom, and a nice yolk. Oh, go on then, let's give it a try. In Thailand, Maggi sauce on fried eggs. Oh. Oh, look at that. Crispy bottom and sides, runny yolk, amazing. If you like what we're doing, guys, cooking real Thai food, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit the thumbs up, show the love, and we'll see you next time. Absolutely amazing. All from a fried egg.